Habibi, we are coming to Dubai.
Dubai.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alfia and this is going to be my Dubai vlog. You guys have seen what went down on Eid. We decided to gift our parents a summer trip to Dubai. This is an international trip. Actually हमारा first है of this year, but parents के साथ is our second. The last time we went all together traveling international was actually 7 years ago. Again Dubai, and तब से they wanted to revisit. So we thought what better gift than that. I'm so excited because this time actually flying Emirates, so that's something new again. So let's go and see what my parents are feeling right now because in just a few hours we'll actually board the plane.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत बहुत अच्छा माशाल्लाह
Excited?
सो मच
Alhamdulillah, very excited to go to Dubai दूसरी बार.
Yes, let's
Alhamdulillah.
As soon as you land in Dubai and get your immigration done, you get a free SIM. इसके अंदर 10 GB है, that is valid for 24 hours. You can either insert it or activate eSIM, which I think is amazing, and they started this for tourists. So don't forget to get this done first, and then maybe you can get like a local SIM and stuff. So yeah. मैं आप क्यों sad हो?
कि शाम हो गई रात हो रही है और शॉपिंग करने जाना है
अरे
एक दिन वेस्ट ना हो
शॉपिंग करने जाना है. Okay guys, so we checked in our Airbnb and we've made our parents wait outside because हमने उनको अभी तक नहीं दिखाया था what the property looks like. Really wanted them to see it with their own eyes, with their naked eyes, and understand because it's so good. So let's see what they have to say. वाह क्या व्यू है यार. व्यू क्या है? द व्यू कैसा लगा?
Alhamdulillah.
ये हम लोग आप लोगों को पहले नहीं दिखाना था क्योंकि यार जब आप अपनी आंखों से देखोगे तो उसका मजा कुछ और ही है.
अरे यार ये तो मतलब गोल्डन स्टार क्या बोलूं क्या वर्ड नहीं है मेरे पास यार ये जो है ना सब यहाँ आओ तो कुछ अलग ही लगता है कहाँ गए
यस देखो नीचे पूल है, पर्सनल जिम, पूल. आई थिंक ये वॉकिंग एरिया भी है. आई एम नॉट श्योर ये अपना है. लाइक दिस इज लाइक अ पब्लिक थिंग. आई
वो
फील
तो पब्लिक है.
लेट्स गेट रेडी गाइस. लेट्स गो.
Rock.
कुछ बज रहे हैं व्हाट्स 9:30 आई थिंक एंड एवरीवन इज गेटिंग रेडी बिकॉज हम जा रहे हैं दुबई फाउंटेन देखने के लिए. लास्ट टाइम जब हम आए थे 7 साल पहले तो हमने नहीं देखा था. सो वील डू दैट नाउ. ऑल्सो माई एंटायर आइटिनरी आई एम गोना प्लेस इट राइट हियर. टेक अ स्क्रीन शॉट इवन आई एम गोना शो यू एवरीथिंग बट यू कैन टेक अ स्क्रीन शॉट राइट हियर एंड ऑल्सो द कॉस्ट एंड एवरीथिंग एट द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो मैं आपको बताऊंगी. सो स्टे ट्यून. चलो चलते हैं. लेट्स गो. Fam is ready. Oh my god. Man looking like a habibi. The minute you land in UAE, every girl. Going to the Dubai Mall. We'll do some shopping. सबसे पहले हमने सोचा है जिम शार्क लेना है. That is सबसे important. उसके बाद we have no plan, so we'll just see क्या करना है क्या लेना है.
dreamed about this. I've literally dreamed about this situation, and I can't believe that I'm in the Gymshark store and I can buy and try whatever I can.
Let's do it quickly because the
Going to
store
cry
closes
a
in
little
like next 40 minutes. So we will run, pick up our stuff and quickly try if we can. For some reason this is looking so good and I feel like I need a good sports bra because mine just gets spoiled very easily. But the tip she mentioned that I need to put it in a washing bag and then wash it. So let's pick this.
A few moments later.
Guys, everything is so expensive. I feel like I've changed my mind that I'll buy stuff when it's on sale. This gym legging is for 7,000.
It's Gymshark, bro. Elo is more expensive than this. Try Elo. You'll be in shock.
लाइफ में हमने जिम की मेंबरशिप तक नहीं ली है कभी एंड वी आर बाइंग Gymshark.
हम हमारे सोसाइटी के जिम में Gymshark पहनने जा रहे हैं.
Yeah, exactly. And I really like this sports bra, but it's for 4,000.
30,000.
क्या चल रहा है भाई? क्या लूट मची है?
लिटरली खोदा पहाड़ निकला चूहा वाला पूरा सिनेरियो हो गया है.
Yeah, we came with so much like
एक्साइटमेंट एंड होप.
कि पूरा दुकान खरीद लेंगे like पूरा शोरूम is going to be add to cart. But reality check.
सो गाइज इफ यू वांट टू बाय Gymshark प्लीज अपने किसके टाइम पे सेलों के टाइम पे खरीदा.
ब्लैक फ्राइडे सेल में लो एंड इफ़ यू हैव फ्रेंड्स अब्रॉड लाइक यूएस एंड स्टफ तो वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा सस्ता मिलता है रेट. बट ठीक है अभी हम आए तो हमने कुछ तो ले ही लिया है
या खाली हाथ नहीं जाना था हमें.
एंड वी कुड
मत मारी
जस्ट
गई थी
कवर वन स्टोर बिकॉज द
मोल.
English speaking, not a children play.
we could just cover one store because the mall is shutting. It's 12 a.m. Now we'll just go and have dinner somewhere. So plan change. We are actually ordering in and I had downloaded a few apps. This is Kareem for food. I'm just gonna see which one delivers quick. And yeah,
कितने बज रहे हैं?
1:30 पौने 2.
हम डिनर कर रहे हैं. जहाँ पे हम जाते हैं वहाँ पे हमारे साथ कुछ ना कुछ होना ही होता है. वी वर ऑर्डरिंग फूड.
And our credit card stopped working.
कौन सी वो शुभ घड़ी थी जिसमें आपने मेरी कुंडली लिखी?
And you can only have one cash on delivery order at a time. So कितना struggle करने के बाद finally we could get something. And yeah, I mean if our credit card doesn't work, I don't know what we're gonna do because that is our only hope to shop for my mom. Like she's here to shop.
But finally, at least we have like a lot of food.
Yeah. And we have each other, so
Yeah.
that's what matters.
मम्मी ने मैगी थी बनाई.
Yeah,
My
exactly.
mom made Maggie. She also made omelette. Thinking की quantity कम होगी, but it's sufficient. Alhamdulillah. When you live in an Airbnb, ये सब भी करना पड़ता है. यहाँ पे बर्तन धुले जा रहे हैं. Feels like home. This is what makes you feel like home. And वहाँ पे टेबल पूछ रहा है. Okay, it is day 2 and we are all ready, headed to Mercedes Cafe. We are looking like,
Serious business woman.
I look like Dubai Habibi, but you look like a businesswoman. And our parents did not come. वो लोग late उठे and they were not basically interested to come. So we were like, ठीक है हम ही जाके आते हैं. So first stop we'll go there today. फिर उसके बाद वापस आके उनको पिक करेंगे and then we'll take about other activities of the day.
The car from Sheikh Rashid, the late Sheikh Rashid, the father of Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid. The car is still here in the UAE. It's at the Sharjah Museum.
Okay, so after the Mercedes Cafe, मैं गए थे Airbnb, we changed and अब सवारी निकल गई है for Safari Park, but उसके पहले हम जाएंगे, कुछ पेट पूजा करेंगे। हमने तो ज़्यादा कुछ खाया नहीं है, मॉम तो ऑब्वियसली किचन में बहुत ही फ्री हो गए, तो आई एम श्योर शी हैज़ गिवन डैड अ रियली नाइस एग सैंडविच ब्रेकफास्ट, बट हम तो भूखे हैं, सो वी आर गोइंग टू दिस रेस्टोरेंट नेम्ड Al Fanar Restaurant Cafe. The roads here are so beautiful, they are so clean. I love it. We ordered khaboos and it's this big.
Oh my god!
We shakal se खाने के बाद सब सो गए थे सब एक नींद लेके अब हम आ गए हैं दुबई सफारी पार्क। आई एम सो एक्साइटेड क्योंकि बचपन से मुझे जू जाने
मैं बड़ा होके तोतले हो रहा हूँ।
जू जाने
जाने की बहुत जरूरत थी।
जू जाने का इतना ज़्यादा शौक था बट कभी कुछ देख नहीं पाए। हमारे मुंबई में एक रानी बाग करके जगह थी पर वहाँ पे एनिमल्स नहीं थे, so happy that I am here and I hope I can see as many animals as possible, especially giraffe. We are inside and it is so huge, so we are now taking this eco taxi. This is like 10 dirhams per person, so it will drop us off at the Asian village जहाँ पे majorly सारे animals हैं. The Dubai Safari, we are now at Global Village. कौन से कंट्री जाने के लिए सबसे एक्साइटेड आप?
Thailand, Tokyo, Paris.
For me it has to be Korea if there is any sort of street food that we can try there. Plus I've heard the Nashville burger is very very nice here. So I'm so excited to hog on to all the street food. We are at Global Village. Let's go! Getting this so that every country we visit we can get a stamp on it. This is what it looks like. So cute. Turkey!
बीच में रखने के लिए
क्या देख रहे हैं?
तेरे टेबल पे सिर्फ बीच में रखने वाला।
बट ये छोटा है ना बहुत.
हाँ छोटा ही
It feels like we're back in Turkey. The same kind of people, the same kind of store. It's so nicely made.
Yeah, and the shopkeepers here also are like calling us like it happened in Turkey. And the moment so we step in the store and the person said Merhaba and I was transported to Turkey and the evil eyes. Hi, a cry coming because I miss Turkey so much.
Miss Turkey, that's true. Night suits are my weakness and I ended up buying this one right here. And the material is actually so soft. It's actually bamboo cotton. तो ये shrink नहीं होगा. Wear this for your ATV ride.
Bro, that was my plan. I already had a bandana and I thought I'll wear this if I don't get it.
ऐसा लग रहा है अभी तो बाइक राइड करना चाहिए. हार्डली हमने यूएई, पाकिस्तान, टर्की और श्रीलंका कवर किया है. ऑलरेडी मेरी पैर की बैंड बज गई है.
मैं तो थक गई भाई साहब.
आई डोंट नो हाउ डू पीपल इवन लाइक कवर एवरी सिंगल कंट्री हियर. मैं तो जेन्युइनली सिर्फ खाने आई हूँ. सो या बट मेरे को शू बाइट भी हो रहा है. आई डोंट नो हाउ आई गोना सर्वाइव द नेक्स्ट फ्यू आवर्स. बट बिकॉज हमको पासपोर्ट पे स्टैम्प लगाना है. वी वांट आवर पासपोर्ट टू बी फिल्ड. तो वी हैव टू डू इट.
में नहीं हो रहा है तो ग्लोबल विलेज में कर लेंगे.
या
मे बी मैनिफेस्टेशन. This scene. 100.
Not my mother getting overwhelmed by the carpets.
मतलब बहुत खूबसूरत. नहीं फिर भी आप हिसाब से बताओ ना कितना है इसका.
4,200
इससे मीडियम वाला ये
सस्ता है.
वो कितना है?
ये मिलेगा 2,500.
डिस्काउंट के बाद 50,000.
50,000 इंडियन मिल जाएगा.
रात के बज रहे हैं 10:25
और हमारे 12 बजते हैं. Dead tired bro, like how do people do this? मतलब मेरे पैरों ने जवाब दे दिया है.
बुढ़ापा आ गया है.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
It's so difficult. I feel like we haven't even seen 70% of it properly, but नहीं हो पाएगा. Seriously नहीं हो पाएगा.
And अगर तुम दिन में आओगे तो दिन में तो नहीं ही हो पाएगा because it's going to be so hot and सूरज हमारे सर पे रहने वाला है. Evening में it was still bearable because
The climate is
the climate is still better. But then there's so much crowd. हम crowd को ही पास करने में हमारा आधा दिन चला गया.
Today is a Saturday. Really hectic day. It is the next morning. कल का दिन बहुत ज़्यादा हेक्टिक था. I literally came back home, showered and slept. आज even though I don't want to step out of my comfort zone, this Airbnb, because it's so cozy. You guys, I'll tell you what this means. I'm having my breakfast right now. My mom is making breakfast for everyone. ऐसा लग रहा है हम घर पे ही बैठे हैं. Literally feels like home. But today we do have a few things on our itinerary. आज हमको जाना है अबू धाबी, यास आइलैंड एंड शेख ज़ायद मॉस्क. मैं लिटरली आई डोंट नो, आई फील सो टायर्ड. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आई डोंट वांट टू लीव द बेड. बट इतने दूर आके अगर आप घर पे बैठोगे तो वो भी थोड़ा सा बीटी हो गई. सो या आई एम गोना फिनिश माई ब्रेकफास्ट एंड उसके बाद लीव एंड शो यू एवरीथिंग. what is this life, guys? In a luxurious Dubai Airbnb, having my breakfast with a great view with my family. This is everything. एंड मैं सबसे पहले रेडी हो गई हूँ, इसके लिए मुझे पहले नाश्ता मिला है, बाकी सब नहा रहे धो रहे. सो या आई मीन सो ग्रेटफुल. अगर वही अब मैं और महवेश ट्रैवल कर रहे होते, आई थिंक वी वुड हैव जस्ट ईटन लाइक अ प्रोटीन लड्डू और अ थेपला, और मे बी जस्ट गॉन विदाउट ईटिंग ऑल्सो. बट moms are the best. My mom has loved the Airbnb so much that she has literally been pleading to cook, to wash the dishes, and to also use the washing machine. It's crazy. Like, why are moms like this? Oh, mom. Good morning. Out and about, and we are going to Yas Island. I have seen such amazing videos and it's just so dreamy. But the catch is that we are literally just going there for 15 minutes. Just it's so funny because the only reason why we are going is हम दोनों को वहाँ पे go karting करनी है, and she's wearing Formula 1 tee because she wants to go to the F1 track also. If we get a chance, we're gonna try that.
We will.
जैकेट वैकेट भी लेके आए भाई, फुल ऑन.
फरारी जैकेट लेके आई हूँ मैं, फरारी गर्ल now.
So once we are done with the go-karting, I think we'll go to the track, maybe have lunch, and then around like 5ish we'll go to the Sheikh Zayed Mosque and we'll do our prayers there. Mommy, are you excited?
Yes.
Excited for what?
मस्जिद.
मैंने और महविश ने टर्की में भी प्रे किया था इन द ब्लू मॉस्क, तो हमको ऐसा था कि यहाँ पे भी कर लेते हैं. लेट्स जस्ट मेक इट अ ट्रेडिशन. सो या नाउ वी ऑलमोस्ट रीच्ड. लेट्स गो कर्ट, लेट्स गो कर्ट. इतनी ज़्यादा धूप है, ओ माय गॉड. ऐसे लग रहा है थप्पड़ पड़ रहे हैं ऑफ गरम गरम हवा. इट्स नॉट फन एट ऑल. Oh my god. लू चल रही है. It's 38 right now, but I feel like गर्मी तो भी ठीक है, बट ह्यूमिडिटी बर्दाश्त नहीं होती है, तो दिस इज़ बेरेबल. बिकॉज अगर इतनी गर्मी मुंबई में होगी तो हम लोग इसे भीग जाते हैं, बट यहाँ पे पसीना नहीं आता है ज़्यादा, सो चलेगा, बेरेबल. Okay, how was it?
I felt like I was in an F1 race and I had to.
Yeah, bro, like firstly we are all sweaty
Yeah.
because it was so hot and sun was just above our head and मैंने तो crash भी किया
I am stupid.
on the edge, and it was so much fun. Genuinely ऐसा था कि it's not that difficult,
But it is difficult.
It is difficult, especially the turns are very narrow, and even though I could like increase my speed, I was constantly like, my aim is to just not crash.
So much study.
Yeah, so I was like, I'm gonna drive at my own speed, and I had so much fun. 15 मिनट मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा लगे, to be honest. ऐसा लगा खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है, which is not the case usually, but it was such a nice experience. I think even if you don't drive, you can still come and try this out.
Have
because
fun. It's too
मज़ा आएगा
it's
बहुत.
One of the best experiences that you can have in Abu Dhabi.
Yeah,
And
and-
till now, अभी तक जितने भी हमने किया है, last year also last time when we come, अभी तक का this is like the best thing. In fact, मेरा trip का अभी तक का ये
Oh my God.
so good. It was so thrilling and जो मेरे को rush हुआ है while I was driving.
Yeah, like when you're holding the steering wheel and taking the turns, you just kind of feel. मेरे को ऐसा literally लग रहा था that I'm transporting myself to the actual Tara Rampam वाला scene. Are we? But yeah, it was great. You have to try it out. So got a report and the score is insane. I am here and I've only taken 7 laps. I told you I was driving very slow, and this is मैं. उसने 10 laps लिए. So you also get this, which is so cool. Quick change post the go-karting. We actually came to the Yas Mall, and right now at the Cheesecake Factory, this is my outfit because we're going to Sheikh Zayed after this. Haven't tried a single dessert ever since we've come here, so right now I'm going to do that and then head to the mosque. Let's go. So nice. Very rich. So the entry to the mosque is free. Obviously, you can just type out Sheikh Zayed online booking, and then you will be redirected to this page. Enter your details like visitor, place of stay, your phone number, and you can get your online passes that you can easily scan there. 7 साल पहले हम शेख ज़ैद मॉस्क आए थे कड़कती धूप में. आई थिंक इट वॉज 1 or 2 PM. और अब हम आए हैं पोस्ट सनसेट. So we're going to have a different view. Going to the prayer room now. Already namaz chal rahi hai and I'm so excited. Hi guys, it is the next day. Last night we all were just having dinner, watching Rais on television, and today we are out and about. This is my outfit. I love it. Today we are actually going to Old Dubai, the Starbucks that is very famous there. And उसके साथ साथ हम बस शॉपिंग करने वाले हैं. मीना बाज़ार जाएंगे, नाइफ जाएंगे, आउटलेट विलेज जाएंगे. बहुत सारी underrated and hidden gems explore करेंगे for discounted shopping. So that is the plan. Let me take you around. Let's go. Which side of Dubai do you like more, the old one or the new one?
Old one.
है ना? It's a vibe. इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी है. Oh my god. But it is a vibe. Parents have gone there to take pics. Cute. So pretty, but also so hot. We're just seeing around. Might take fridge magnets. But yeah, seriously, like, what all does Dubai have to offer? It is crazy. Their tourism game is so strong.
How much?
Wow, Habibi. मस्त लग रहा है.
इनको बोलो ना डिस्काउंट करने.
Vanilla is a bit strong.
Yeah, this is not my vibe. This vanilla is not my vibe.
This one not vanilla. This vanilla.
This is nice. The
Which one
little
is fun?
coffee one that you showed me.
This one is this. And coffee have but strong. This one.
This is the one you showed me?
Yes. This one is coffee but it's too much strong.
No, I don't like too much strong. I want it to be a little feminine. हाँ, 5:15 बज गए. We haven't eaten. तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं कराची दरबार. हमको पाकिस्तानी क्विजीन ट्राई करना था. एक्चुअली आई हर्ड अ लॉट अबाउट गुड पाकिस्तानी फूड हियर इन दुबई. सो ये हमारा पहला होगा एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड फॉर इट. लेट्स गो. कितने बार बोला है मैंने ब्लॉग में. गाइस लेट्स गो. मैं आप लोगों को लेके जा रही हूँ दुबई अपने साथ. ऑल्सो यू गाइज माइट बी वंडरिंग where and how I booked the whole attractions and also the car. So I have a friend जिसकी ये travel company है called बतुल. मम्मी कैसा experience था with the whole car, driver?
माशाल्लाह, ट्रस्ट, हेल्पिंग, मतलब हर चीज़ के लिए बहुत बहुत
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा है.
So the travel company is called Fab Tours and Travels, and उसने हमको इतना like 10 hours की कार दी है हमारे साथ. We can just take him around and कुछ भी चेंजेस होते हैं कर लेते हैं वो लोग, फॉरन चेंजेस कर लेते हैं, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली जैसा तुम प्लान करते हो वैसे नहीं होती है चीज़ें। सो वी बुकड ऑल ऑफ आर अट्रैक्शंस, तो उन्होंने सारी हमारी टिकट्स की थी एंड ऑल्सो द कार, क्योंकि मेरे और मैं के पास टाइम ही नहीं था इस बार टू डू एनी थिंग, वी वर ऑल सो बिजी वर्किंग। सो बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था। सो आई थिंक आई एम गोना लीव their details in the description, check it out, it's not sponsored at all, so yeah. दुबई आके आईपैड खरीद लिया गया है। माई मॉम वॉज रियली बिहाइंड अस टू गेट एन आईपैड एंड वी फाइनली गॉट इट। वाओ।
इसके अंदर से साबुन की टिक्की निकली तो
मेरा बहुत अरमान था कि मेरे बच्चे आईपैड यूज़ करें। वो सालों से मैं बोल रही ले लो ले लो ले लो।
We actually came to Screen Focus in Meena Bazaar and did some shopping. I've gotten a really good rate, but in cash for iPad and also camera. So if you're coming here, maybe visit this store. And yeah. Going back home after a long day of shopping. Are you happy?
Yes, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
गाइज हमारे बिल्डिंग में फायर अलार्म और इवैक्यूएशन नोटिसेस आ चुके हैं। वी आर ऑल लीविंग द बिल्डिंग। पासपोर्ट, व्हाट आर यू कैरिंग?
हाँ ये कर लो पहले।
Oh my God. तो सब लोग बिल्डिंग खाली कर रहे हैं फॉर सम रीजन एंड वी हैड ऑल्सो कॉल्ड फॉर फूड और वो लोग उनको भी ऊपर नहीं आने दे रहे। आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स अप, इट्स नॉट सीरियस बट I don't know.
एक पासपोर्ट और भी थी।
We tried to contact our Airbnb people also. They've told us it's because of smoking. But yeah, we are going down now. We'll see what is the speed. Everyone has left the building. Hi guys, good morning. It is the next morning और बज रहे हैं सुबह के 7:15. This is the earliest that we have woken up here in Dubai. Last night was slightly chaotic. Half of the building was down at the reception. Some people also went on the roads, but इतना कुछ serious नहीं था actually. There was some sort of smoke coming out near the swimming pool area, which is why the whole evacuation bit. But we are all alive. Nothing serious. And आज सिर्फ हम दोनों बाहर जा रहे हैं फिर से. My parents are at the Airbnb sleeping. आज क्या है? Okay, she's eating her banana, but shut up. It's the most thrilling, exciting, the most awaited day of our trip because it is skydiving day. That is the most expensive adventure that I'm going to do in my life, but also the most breathtaking one, truly. So yeah, we're just waiting for our driver to come and then he'll drop us at the skydive center. वहाँ पे I think पूरे process को 3-4 घंटे लगते हैं because they see the weather conditions, they also see if everything's like good to go. उसके पहले वो लोग training देते हैं, तो it's a 3 to 4 hour process. We have to reach there at 8. So yeah, I'll reach there and I am so excited. Maybe this is the last time I'm vlogging.
50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह।
हमारा बुलावा आ गया है. It's time to go keep our stuff.
but we are yet to finish our butter croissant. And वहाँ पे मेरी बहन है जिसको बिल्कुल भी डर डुर कुछ ही नहीं है. बस रे.
Let's go.
Let's go.
हाँ भाई आ रहे हैं हम लोग, आ रहे हैं. Let's go.
Hi. Welcome to Skydive Dubai. What are you doing here today?
I am so excited. I'm going to be jumping off a plane and taking off a very huge thing from my bucket list. So I'm so excited.
Fantastic. So it's your first time jumping, yes?
Yes.
Are you nervous at all or not really?
I'm not really nervous because I'm not thinking about it. The more I do, the more I really shit my pants. So
We'll see what happens when the
yeah, I'm
door
just going to
opens,
leave
yeah.
it to him.
Awesome. So you got all the instructions from your instructor Ahmed. Do you have any questions?
No, I'm good.
Ready to go?
Yes.
Yes, you're alive and you had a lot of fun out there, huh?
I did.
What did you like the most?
Oh my god, the view from the above, it can get tears because it was so good. The adrenaline rush is something else. Like, I've never experienced the happiness, the fear, everything all at once, and it was crazy. Ahmed also was so good, constantly trying to make sure I'm comfortable.
Well,
So
congratulations with your first jump here in Skydive Dubai. Give a high five to Ahmed for saving your life. Voila!
okay, we just got back from the jump. How was it?
Bro, I'm speechless. I'm literally speechless for the view that I saw and the jump. Bhai.
It genuinely felt like a postcard. Like, it didn't feel real at all. It was just so perfect. Like, somebody painted it or we're seeing a picture. And honestly, like, these skydivers are very well trained, so they
They are
constantly
very well trained and वो लोग इतने calm है. If you are being hyper, they
Yeah.
will calm you down. They'll be like नहीं इतना कुछ नहीं है, chill, all of that. वो लोग की मस्ती चालू रहेगी पूरा time.
Yeah, they're so chill. Like, they create a very comfortable environment for you, which is something amazing. Just that, I mean, when you're on the top, it's so windy. Like, my eyes started watering, my nose started watering, and the harness also gets a little tight after a while. But these people are so trained. मतलब वो एक point के बाद आपका चश्मा निकाल देंगे, फिर आपको पैराशूट. मेरे को वो पैराशूट चलाना सिखा रहा था.
Is it?
He told me to go left, I went left. He told me to go right, I went right. And then he showed me how to do it, and it was crazy.
We were at the edge and we were about to jump. मैंने नीचे देखा. I was like,
I know.
gone. Mummy, दुआ में याद रखना है.
I swear, and my diver is asking me where do you stay? So I was like, I stay Business Bay. So he made me like spot Business Bay. He's like, okay, now spot Burj Khalifa for me. He was doing all of this, and it was so much fun. And then I asked him, where do you stay? So उसने अपना building दिखाया ऐसे पूरा parachute turn
घुमा
करके.
के.
It was so good. You have to try it out, यार. मतलब
100%.
ऐसा नहीं मिलेगा experience. I know like it's
Very expensive.
very expensive,
but
but
every penny, bro. ये genuinely experience हमें कहीं नहीं मिलेगा.
कहीं नहीं मिलेगा.
It's so
मतलब you're literally
smooth.
jumping off a plane and it is crazy. Like you're so high, and the minute he opens the parachute,
Yeah.
that flip is crazy. Or like अभी जो होगा देखा जाएगा types वाला था. So yeah, we did it.
What a day to be alive.
Post the skydive, we all rested for a bit. We all नहीं मतलब मैं और मैं. And then we've changed and now we are at Atlantis the Palm to see the view. जब हम लास्ट टाइम आए थे तब हमने उसको मोनोरेल से देखा था सिर्फ बाहर का. And today we're going to see it from the top as well. Even though we have already seen the entire view when we were skydiving, so I think we kind of are paying extra to do this again. Because I don't think you could get a better view other than from up the sky. But okay, we came here with our parents and I hope they enjoy it. Wow, the entrance is so nice. मम्मी एक्वेरियम भी कवर हो गया देखो इसी बहाने. But these are not real fishes.
These are Finding Nemo के fishes. Dory.
In 2001, construction began. The first feature, the outer breakwall,
Oh भाई.
stretches 5.3 kilometers east to west and 5 kilometers north to south. The internal palm shape stretches 3.9 kilometers east to west and 4 kilometers north to south. Tons of rock was used as the foundations. 120 million tons of sand was brought from the ocean to build the 17 fronds in the shape of a palm. The palm is home to 27 hotels, including the stunning Atlantis the Palm.
Northern Emirates were carefully positioned using GPS technology and satellite images from space to create one of the most recognizable icons of Dubai.
And nothing that Dubai does is going to be basic. We are seeing us going up and how every floor will look like and what is the view right now. I think this is real time. मेरे कान बंद हो गए. Same. बुर्ज खलीफा वाली फीलिंग आ गई. बंद हो गए थे. Right now we're at 52nd floor. मान में उड़ रहे हो और इतना ट्रांसपेरेंट है कि लग रहा गिरते नहीं जाएंगे. Yeah, like the way they've made it. It's not for the people with weak heart. This is your view, but this is our view. Quick stop at JBR beach and we just stopped by because the sun was setting and it's truly so pretty.
One hour later.
Okay guys, so post the beach, we actually wanted to go to JBR the walk, but itna traffic tha because it was peak hour, so we decided to take a U-turn, come to Dubai Mall. हमने थोड़ी बहुत shopping की and हम खाना लेके आ गए हमारे Airbnb and I took a head shower. I'm just doing my skincare. Everything was blue, so I thought I'll just record it because it's so cute. So अभी फिलहाल Airbnb में full on मूवी नाइट चल रही है. माई डैड इज वॉचिंग जिगरा on television. I don't know why do parents do what they do at home even when they're traveling. Like, I'm so against eating Indian food outside and doing the same thing that we do at home, because then what is the whole point of traveling? But parents being parents, they're having their movie situation. I will do my skincare, have my dinner, and then I will be, me and May will go down to ride the electric bikes. Those are like so common here, and even though Mumbai में है, but मुंबई में रोड्स तो पता ही है आपको कैसे, यहाँ पे उतने ही क्लीन और एकदम ही स्मूथ रोड्स है, तो हमको ऐसा था कि हम यहाँ पे आके चलाते हैं. सो या वो इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक्स चलाएंगे हम, हमारी बिल्डिंग के नीचे ही है. आज हमने टैक्सी भी यूज की एंड ओ माय गॉड इट्स सो एक्सपेंसिव. यू गाइज नो दैट वी हैव लाइक अ फुल डे का कार, बट दैट हमारा डे कंप्लीट हो गया था. उसके बाद एक्स्ट्रास के लिए हमने सोचा लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई लाइक कैब. एंड हमको यूजुअली लाइक विथ आवर booked car we have to pay about 24 per hour, 24 dirhams, and यहाँ पे for like an 8-minute distance we paid 20 dirhams. So you see the difference is crazy. You literally have to avoid cabs if possible. Let's now go and have our dinner. ट्रैफिक सिग्नल लग गया है.
आज तेरी बारी.
धूम मचा ले धूम मचा ले धूम धूम धूम. रात में हमने हमारी कार बाइक को पार्क करके आ गए हैं. ग्रोसरी स्टोर रन एंड इट इज़ सो कूल. आई एम गोना पिक सम स्नैक्स. लेट्स सी कुछ अच्छा कुछ अलग मिल रहा है. तो दारू का सेक्शन है. चलो नो हलाल.
क्या बोला तूने?
नो हलाल. हलाल नो हलाल नो हलाल. There's literally an ice cream version of every possible chocolate that you might have eaten from Galaxy.
There's Kinder Joy also.
Oh my god. Ferrero Rocher and यहाँ पे ऊपर there's Mars Bounty.
Bounty तो चॉकलेट है. नहीं आइसक्रीम है.
Snickers. Oh भाई.
What is this?
World.
Wow.
कार्ट के अंदर चिप्स. It's the next morning. My parents are out for shopping and we are having breakfast with a view. Out and about already. Today I have dressed like a Mumbaikar in Dubai. Very comfy because आज ज़्यादा कुछ है ही नहीं करने के लिए. Right now, Habibti मैं in Habibti Alf. We're off to Dubai Mall. 2-3 चीज़ें बच गई है. For some reason we just are not able to cover all the things on one day because there's like so much to walk. By the time you reach the 3rd or 4th store, the mall is shut. तो अभी 2-3 चीज़ें बची है वो लेंगे हम. एंड देन मैं इज़ गोइंग टू JBR बीच फॉर अ स्विम, सोलो स्विम. एंड उसके बाद मैं Airbnb आ जाऊँगी. एंड वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम मुंबई हु हैज़ सेटल्ड हियर इन दुबई, आई एम गोना मीट हर. वी आर शूटिंग अ पॉडकास्ट फॉर हर चैनल एंड देन she'll pick me up from my Airbnb. We'll go to the studio, we'll shoot the podcast, and then we'll also shoot a Dubai mystery box that she's making for me. I'm so excited for it. So आज ऐसा कुछ है situation where we're not really like exploring. and then in the night maybe like we both will go out for dinner, and that's it for our last day. Second last last day of Dubai. I really love the look of these trousers, but they are like super loose. तो इसको मैं चेंज कराती हूँ. Such an underwhelming collection from H&M. पहले तो मुझे कुछ साइज ही नहीं मिला मेरा, सब कुछ लूज था, एंड वी ऑब्वियसली पिक द सेल आइटम बिकॉज अदरवाइज एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट सो एक्सपेंसिव. मतलब इंडिया में ज़्यादा सस्ता मिल जाएगा, सो व्हाई शुड वी बाय फ्रॉम योर. Came back to the Airbnb. I've gotten my stuff that I need for the shoot, and now I'm going to Reshma's studio. And I have reunited with Reshma after so many years. Yeah. She is a podcaster now who was initially into health and fitness. Yeah. I think the fat kid. Yeah. Now I have fat kid show. How cute. You guys go subscribe to her channel. Go follow her. Check out her amazing work, and let's get to shooting. Changed into my podcast outfit. There's such a nice green room. This is one of the best ones that I found in any studio. So cute. This is my first podcast, by the way. Like, really? Yeah, I did get a few invites, but I was like, if I do ever do a podcast, the first one needs to be special. So it's happening with you, and it's so nice. So when my dad got calm, my mom eventually got calm. And the fact that relatives and his neighbors so nice, you can like, you get to meet her, their mindset changed, and today I think they're so proud. Okay, so we shot the podcast and it's already, I think probably might be live already on her channel. If not, I will let you know whenever. But right now we have these these boxes that she's made a mystery box out of, and I am so excited. ये रेशमा का ही idea था, which I am like, bro, like just perfect. मतलब
because anyways I wanted to give you something, so I thought why not mystery box.
Yes, so we're gonna open it, unbox it, और ये वीडियो भी आपको मेरे चैनल पे दिख जाएगी. There's so much thought, there's so much story behind everything.
मेरे को कुछ random नहीं देना था.
No, that's the best thing.
सोच के मैंने.
And this is the amount of stuff that I'm taking back home. What is this? You didn't have to spoil me this much.
I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed your last night here in Dubai.
I love you. Thank you so much.
I hope you come here again, inshallah.
Yes, inshallah. It is our last night in Dubai. We are at the Walk JBR, and such a vibe. There's like the beach, there's wind, and मेरा बाल हटा मुंह से यार थोड़ा. Yeah, and the view is amazing. We're gonna have some food, chill here, and then call it a day. It's 3:30 in the morning, and this is what our living room looks like. और अब हम शुरू करने वाले हमारी पैकिंग. I am so sleepy, but we can't really put this for morning because this is a lot. Oh my god. इतना सब सामान प्लस यहाँ पे भी सामान है. All of these we need to put in our bags. हमारे मॉम डैड का तो बैग्स रेडी है यहाँ पे. It's all done here. We just need to do our stuff. देखो अब कितना टाइम लगता है for us to get this thing sorted. Maybe your watches do it. Okay guys, it is the next day, officially the day we leave Dubai, go back. We have already boarded in our flight, and last something that I want to ask is how much would you rate this trip out of 10?
Oh, difficult question. मैं पहले तेरी बारी.
I think for me it was an 8. I've deducted 2 marks because one, we couldn't do a lot of things. जैसे दुबई आई नहीं cover हो पाया, whatever. And then the other thing was that it was too hectic. I don't remember actually like sitting and relaxing, which is something that I would want to do.
Yeah, I think I'll give it a 7. Again, because of the same fact that we couldn't cover a lot of things and it was hectic with work.
Also, something very important that I really wanted to share. So, while you were shopping, you get like VAT refund, which is the tax that you pay for. You get a refund at the airport. But हमसे वो गलती हो गई, वो आप मत करना. When you are doing your baggage check-in, you tell them that you want a VAT refund then and there, because then they'll put a stamp. एंड तब जब आप जाओगे वैट रिफंड के लिए तो आपको इजीली दे देंगे. अदरवाइज वंस यू आर डन विद द बैगेज चेक इन एंड देन यू गो एंड डू इट, विल बी लाइक अरे हमको पिक्चर्स चाहिए ऑफ ऑल द आइटम्स.
अगर तुम बाद में करा रहे हो, कैरी योर आइटम्स विद योर, वरना तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम होगी बिकॉज वी लॉस अ लॉट ऑफ आवर वैट.
या वी लॉस अ लॉट ऑफ इट
under my passport because they told me that they were not able to find the transactions which I could see on their tab. But they told me that they wanted pictures of the items, which
so
obviously
basically the brands that we shop for were like YSL, Victoria's Secret. So when you shop like luxury brands, वो लोग को pictures चाहिए होते हैं because there are a lot of chances that people buy counterfeit and stuff like that which they don't want to promote. So they did not give us a VAT refund. तो वो आप लोग मत करना. Let's move on and see how much do our parents rate it. मम्मी का ले रही हूँ पहले. मम्मी आप ये ट्रिप को कितना मार्क्स दोगे 10 में से?
9.5.
अच्छा 0.5 क्यों काटे आपने?
क्योंकि हम लोगों को ट्रैवलिंग का कुछ समझ नहीं आता था, किधर जाना है, क्या करना है.
दो बार
चीज़ें
घूम
बहुत
भी गई.
हाँ, मतलब लैंग्वेज का इशू के साथ साथ में ना जगह याद नहीं रहती थी कि किधर से राइट जाना है, किधर से.
ओके. एंड यू?
10 out of 10 because the apartment was very good and the food also was very good.
थोड़ा पीछे जाओ.
और तुम्हारा हमने पूरा दुबई घूमा, अच्छा से शॉपिंग किया, बहुत बुरके लिया हमने, परफ्यूम्स लिया, सब लिया.
Okay, amazing. Have a safe flight, guys.
Thank you, you too, bye bye.
Okay, so before I end this vlog, this is the total amount that we sent with all the bifurcations. मेरे को अभी खुद टोटल नहीं पता है, but I'm sure it's a lot. And yeah, let's go back to bed.